Guys, we are going to do a simple partition here. To partition your hard disk in Windows, you left click on this icon and then you click manage. Then you go to disk management. Then here is the available disk and partitions. So we are going to disk, C. We are going to say shrink volume. Then here is the available partition sizes that you can apply. So we want to give it gonna say 500. So here it is. We are going to say new simple volume. Next, keep this as default, not changing anything. Select which letter you want, so you keep it like that. If it's first change to an TFS, and then here you give it honor. Then next, finish. We wait for a partition to form out. There it is. We have just